Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to another tutorial. Yeah, we continue with our tutorial for building simple sound. A sound recorder app. Yeah, so this is part one. Yeah, last time we did the introduction, whereby I showed you all the what we're going to build. All features that we're going to build in this app. So in this video, we are going to create a project. We're going to start from fresh by creating a new project in this Adobe Studio. So what I'll do, this is Adobe Studio, guys. So hopefully you have installed Adobe Studio. If you're not, so please you can just yeah, I think if you go to Google, you can just search on how to install Adobe Studio, and then yeah, I think it will be easy. Just yeah, if you go to the official page, I think yeah, it will not take your time. You just download the studio and then install it. So I'm not going to do this to do that in this video. So I will just let you do it because I believe you do it. But if you fail or maybe you not be able to install Adobe Studio, please you can just yeah, you can just write a comment below so that I can do maybe a video for that, or I can assist you in one way or another. So that is it, guys. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a new project here. New project. You see, and yeah, so if you create this new project, you can just we are going to set this. There are default templates that you can use to create the app. We have no activity, we have basic and others. So yeah, in this case, we are going to use this empty activity. You see, so that I think it just comes with by default with empty activity, I think, which is main activity. So I'm used to create project by using these templates, and I device it to use the same. So whenever I have a new project, you can just use this one, and then you'll be good to go. So, but if you're interested to use other templates, I think it's fine. You can just do it if you're comfortable with that. But in this tutorial, we're just going to use this empty activity. Yes, so that is it. So I'm going to click here next. So as you can see here, there are other tabs, but we're going to create it for phone and tablets, not for wearables or Android TV or automotive. No, we're just going to create for phone and the tablet. So if you want to create for other this one, I think yeah, maybe another tutorial, but we're just going to use this phone and tablet. So then after that, you can just click next. Then up here we're going to give it a name for app. So it should be sound recorder. You can just give it sound recorder app. You can give it any name, and here you can just this package name. Package name is what I can say about it. This is what will identify your application. So it's like an ID. That's like I don't know how to describe it, but that is its package name. Is like if you, for instance, you want to deploy on stores like Google Play Store or maybe on iOS, or you see, so on iOS stores. So you will need this package name is very important. It's used to identify your application. So you can just give it any name you want, but for me, I'll just maybe demo apps. This is my, and then I'll just com demo apps that sound like other app. You see? So for me, I think this is fine. This is fine. So yes, so here this is a location where you want that application to be saved. So in this case, I will just leave this one here, save location. And here there's language. So here there is Kotlin. and there's Java. We're just going to use Java, guys. So if you're interested in Kotlin, I think maybe in next tutorial maybe, but for this tutorial we are going just to use this Java. Here minimum is DK. We are just going to leave this default one, which is API 21. So what are these APIs? Yeah, so this one I just Android has good versions. So the first one, I don't remember what the first version was, but so this they're like versions. We have API 21, which is Android 5 or Lollipop. There are others like Android 23, which is Marshmallow. So and there is Android 12, which is Android 12, Android 10, Android 11. I think this 23 Android last is. I think this is the latest one. I think so. So we're going to use this default one, which is API 21, which is Android 5 Lollipop. So after that, I will just click. Then after that, I will just click finish. Yeah, the use legacy Android support libraries. I think you don't need to bother about this one. So by using this Android 5 or API 21, you're going to target almost 98% of all devices in the world. So yeah, so which I think is fine. It's fine for me. But if you need maybe to use another API, you are free. But in this tutorial, we're just going to use this 21 API 21. So then after that, I will just click finish. Let me just this one. Maybe. So now it's creating the project. Okay, so now, yeah, I think just finishing up. It's just finishing up. So yeah, that is it, guys. So yeah, let's just give it some time. It's just finishing to build. Yeah, so guys, just to remind you, please make sure you subscribe my channel, because it's very important. It's going to first of all, it's going to give you notification whenever I upload a new video, and also it will motivate me a lot to do more and more amazing videos for you guys. So please just hit the subscribe button below, and then we are good to go. Yeah, I think it's just finishing up. Yeah, well, yeah, I think it's finishing. Yeah, this time building. So we are going to test it by running our application in our device. So I have here my device, which is I'm using this screen copy to because I have a physical Android phone here. So I'm using this application called screen copy, which I use to mirror my physical phone to this PC. So if you want maybe to download it, you can just go to Google and search for this this application. It's called screen copy. So okay, so I'm going to run the application and see how it appears in our phone. So I'm just going to click here on this button and run it. Okay. So let's see. So as you can see, it's still building. So let's wait for that. So guys, I'm just reminding you again. So please make sure you subscribe my channel. It will motivate me, guys, to do more and more videos, and also it will give you notification whenever I upload a new video. So guys, make sure you do that. Please make sure you subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel so that you can get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So guys, I think it's installing now. So let's see how the application that. So now it's learning. Okay, so guys, we have succeeded learning our application, created a project, and then learn our application on our device. So guys, so this is good. Guys, that's what I think that's what I wanted to share with you this video. Yeah, so yeah, again, I just want to remind you, please make sure you subscribe my channel, and then yep, so that whenever I upload a new video, you get a notification, So that's what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. So hopefully I'll meet you in the next video. Let me wish you a good time and cheers.